Imagine your English sentences as small pieces. If you want to join them and make longer, stronger sentences, you need conjunctions. Today, I will show you how these tiny words make a big difference.
Hello everyone, welcome back to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy.
Today's lesson is about conjunctions, the joining words of English. A conjunction is a word that joins two words, two phrases, or two sentences. The most common conjunctions are and, but, or, because, so. The conjunction and is used to join similar ideas. Examples: I like tea and coffee. She is smart and kind. The conjunction but is used to show contrast or difference. Examples: he is tired but he is working. The bag is cheap but strong. The conjunction or is used to show a choice. Examples: do you want rice or noodles? We can stay here or go home. The conjunction because is used to give a reason. Examples: she is happy because it's her birthday. They left early because it was raining. The conjunction so is used to show a result. Examples: it was raining, so we stayed inside. He studied hard, so he passed the exam. Good. Now you know the 5 most important conjunctions. Let's look at some simple sentences using them. I bought apples and bananas. She is short but strong. You can choose coffee or juice. I'm late because there was traffic. It's cold, so I'm wearing a jacket. Complete the sentences with a conjunction. Now, let's check your answers. I want tea or coffee. He is hungry. But there is no food. She cleaned the room because it was dirty. It was hot, so we drank water. We met her and her friend. Great job! In the next lesson, we will learn interjections. Short words like, oh, wow, hey, that shows sudden feeling. Thank you for learning with LELTA today.
If you enjoyed the lesson, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
And don't forget to watch the next video, Interjections, in our Parts of Speech series. The most common conjunctions are and, but, or, because, so. Examples. She is happy because it's her birthday. They left early because it was raining.